Hello everyone, in this video we will define height and number of vertices of a full binary tree recursively. Well, consider height of a full binary tree. I am writing in short, full binary tree. Consider height of a full binary tree as h of capital T. Now what is this capital T? T means tree, and what is this h? H means height. Now h of T means it represents the height of a full binary tree. Now h of T, which is height of a full binary tree, is defined recursively. Using two steps. Now what is that first step? Basis step. Right. In basis step, h of T will be 0. Why? Because in basis step, full binary tree, which is T, has got only one root, has only one root, not one root, one node, that is root. See here, if I got only one particular node in a full binary tree, what is that height? Height will be 0. Height starts from 0, so height is 0. So that's why I have written h of T is equal to 0. In basis step, there will be only one node in a full binary tree. That node is to be a root. Okay, that's why h of T is equal to 0. So this is the basis step of full binary tree. Now let us move to a recursive step or inductive step, we can call. In recursive step, I am taking T1 is one full binary tree, T2 is another full binary tree. So now what I am doing now, I am just combining T1 and T2 to form another full binary tree. That tree is be T. Okay, right. Now what is height of this particular tree? What is the height of this particular tree? Okay, right. So that is equal to 1 plus max of what? Height of this particular tree and height of this particular tree, right? Max of height of T1 comma height of T2. So this is what a recursive definition of full binary tree in the case of to find height of a full binary tree. Let us see how. I am taking a T1 tree. This is T1 tree. This is T2 tree. So I want to combine these two trees. If I want to combine T1 and T2, what happened? I need a root to combine, right? I am taking a root and I am writing this T1, this total T1 part, right? And T2 part. Now this is T2 part. Now you tell me which has got maximum height. This is 0, 1. So 1 is the height of the T1 tree. Now what about T2? Height of the T2? This is 0, 1, 2. So among these two, which has got max? T2 tree has got max. That's why I'm taking what I'm taking? Max of 1 comma T1 is 1, right? 0, 1. 1 comma 1 comma 2. And why I'm writing 1 here? Because root is there, right? This is also one level up, right? So I'll be considering that one as 1. For root I'm considering 1. So 1 plus, what is the maximum? 2, right? One maximum of 1 comma 2 means 2. Now what is the height of capital tree? This one 3, right? H of t is equal to 3. Now you just find out this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now I have got 3, right? So this is what the recursive definition of height of a full binary tree. Now let us go to another one. Number of vertices of a full binary tree. Well, consider number of vertices in a full binary tree as n of t. What is this n? N means number of vertices and t means tree, right? So t means tree and n means number of vertices. Number of vertices in a full binary tree. FBT means full binary tree. Now n of t is defined recursively using 2 steps. What is the first step? Basis step. Right? Basis step. So n of t is equal to 1. I am writing 1. Why I am writing 1? Because see here, in basis step, my tree, full binary tree, has got only n of t is equal to 1 and t has got only one node. As this particular full binary tree has got only one node, so how many vertices will be there? Only one. Node means vertices, right? So that's why n of t is equal to 1. Now let us move to, see here, I am taking a full binary tree. In full binary tree only one node is there, which is called vertex. And what is n of t? N of t is obviously 1, because how many vertices are there here? Only one is there, that's why 1. Okay, n of t is equal to 1 in basis step. Now let us move to recursive step or inductive step. In inductive step, what I am going to do? I am considering T1 tree, which is full binary tree. Okay, right, I am taking T1 tree. This is my T1 tree. I am also taking T2 tree, which is also a full binary tree. Okay, this is my T2, another full binary tree. Now with this two trees, T1 and T2. I am going to form another tree which is also a full binary tree, T1 dot T2. Now for this particular T, I should find out number of vertices. So n of T, what happens? N of T is equal to 1 plus n of T1, this particular tree, plus n of T2. This is what the recursive definition of number of vertices in a full binary tree. Now we'll see how this particular equation satisfies. We'll see with this particular example. Now I just want to combine this T1 and T2 to form a tree called T. So first I am writing this T1 tree, next I am writing T2 tree. Okay, now I am taking a root node to combine these two, T1 tree and T2 tree. This is T1, right? This total T2. See here, n of T1 gives number of vertices here. Okay, this is good. Now n of T2, it gives number of vertices here in this region. Yes, T2. And what else is left? Root is left. So for that particular root I am writing 1. So that is what the number of vertices of a full binary tree recursive definition. So this is what the explanation of full binary tree properties. Thank you.